Drone aerial photography of Suruga Bay, Shizuoka, Japan. Over there is a group of mountains called the Southern Alps. I think that's Mount Fuji faintly visible over there. Suruga Bay is the deepest bay in the seas around Japan. The deepest part of the trench is 2,500 meters deep, which is very deep. Suruga Bay is the boundary between the Philippine Sea Plate and the Eurasian Plate. The Suruga Trough runs north and south of the bay and has formed a deep sea. There are concerns that the Suruga Trough and Ninkai Trough will cause a huge earthquake in the future. Suruga Bay is a treasure trove of deep-sea fish. There are many valuable fish such as the Japanese spider crab billfish and the maris. In addition, a large deep-sea fish called the Yokoro sardine has recently been discovered. You can see these stuffed animals at the Numipo Deep Sea Aquarium in Nume. When you come to in Shizuoka, by all means please visit it. Thank you for your watching.